my first year at AIF. What a wonderful community event for the automotive and mobility industry. 600 customers and partners here together with our Autodesk family, having fantastic sessions in both Design Studio as well as Digital Factory. And it's been a phenomenal experience so far.
Yeah, really cool. Really enjoying it. All the speakers have been good so far. We've had some breakout sessions that have been really interesting, and all the exhibitors here have been really good as well. So yeah, really good event.
It was a great day. We like to connect with people around to see all the new features coming this year in Elias and BRETS.